Seeing a pre-collision system malfunction warning in your Toyota? Here are some simple things you can check and try before heading to the dealership. The pre-collision system PCS is a Toyota vehicle safety feature designed to help prevent or lessen the impact of frontal collision. It uses sensor, typically a radar unit and camera mounted near the front grille or behind the windshield, to detect vehicles and obstacles. When you see the error message pre-collision system malfunction warning in your dash, it simply means that the system isn't working properly. This could be due to something minor like dirty sensor, blocked radar, or bad weather, or it could be the result of a larger issue like a sensor failure, wiring problems, or damaged radar unit. So let's get started right away with fix number 1. That is to clean the front radar and camera sensors. One of the most common reasons, and by far, is that a dirty or obstructed sensor. The system relies on the front-facing radar, usually located behind the Toyota emblem or in the lower grille, along with the camera behind the windshield, near the rear view mirror. If either of these components is blocked, the system may stop functioning properly. Start by giving both the Toyota emblem area and the windshield around the camera a thorough cleaning. Dirt and even bugs, snow, ice, mud, stuff like that can interfere with the radar. Likewise, condensation or smudges on the windshield can confuse the camera. Use a simple microfiber cloth and a gentle cleaner, no pressure washing or scrubbing hard on the emblem. After cleaning, restart your car and drive a short distance. If the warning disappears, you likely solve the problem with the easiest fix possible. Now, if you didn't fix it, let's go to number 2, which is to check for recent battery issues or low voltage. Another common trigger for this pre-collision system malfunction warning is low battery voltage or a recent battery replacement. The PCS relies on stable electrical signals from various sensors and control modules, and any power fluctuation can cause the system to temporarily shut down or throw this error code. So what you need to do is to simply measure your battery health with a multimeter to know the voltage and check the connection. Sometimes those positive and negative terminal connections on your battery are loose, and it can cause the problem since the current don't travel at a constant rate. Also, make sure there's no corrosion on the battery terminals. A weak battery can cause random system malfunctions, especially in newer cars with sensitive electronics. This fix costs nothing and it's worth checking out early on. Now for fix number 3 is to restart the vehicle or disconnect the battery temporarily. So sometimes the pre-collision system malfunction warnings is just the result of a glitch in your car electronics. A simple system reboot can often clear it. The easiest way to try this is to turn off your car, wait a few minutes, and then restart it. This gives the onboard computer a chance to restart the system. If this doesn't work, you can try disconnecting the negative battery terminal, wait about 10 to 15 minutes, and then plug it back. Make sure everything is sitting tight. This cuts the power to the vehicle electronic control modules, which can help reset any stock systems, including the PCS and many others. After reconnecting the terminal, make sure everything again is secure, start the car and allow it to idle for a couple of minutes while the system resync. Before wrapping up, here's another helpful tip. If the warning light stays on after trying everything, scan the vehicle for trouble codes. Many auto parts stores like AutoZone or O'Reilly will do this for free. The scan can point out directly to a faulty sensor, wiring issue, or other problem, saving you time and guessing. They also sell on Amazon some Bluetooth OBD2 scanners if you want to do this at home. Obviously, it costs some money, but this could be helpful also in the future to know exactly what you're facing. If you have any other fixes or if one of these worked, please leave a comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again for watching and have a beautiful day.